hands forward, and again, we talked about little stroke back and accelerate through. I don't want to see a big shot and slow down.
Keep your stance open a little bit.
I always do. I think that's preference. A lot of what I like, why I do that is because I can see what's ahead of me easier instead of having to look over my left shoulder. If my stance is open a little bit, I kind of can read the green and see everything that's out there. But while I do that, I also make sure that that club face is still pointing towards the hole. Okay? So the club face might not always be pointing the same direction your body is, but it is going to be pointing towards where I want the ball to go. In the same way, when we start talking about higher shot, if the ball's going higher, the more you open that club face up, the more you probably ought to aim to the left because the ball's going to want to shoot out to the right a little bit. Okay? So keep that in mind on these flopper shots too. But ball back, hands forward, and again, just a small swing. Again, that son of a gun didn't go too high. It doesn't need to. I only need the ball to go about 10 or 12 feet here. So, but again, the ball landed on the front of the green. That one rolled out a little bit too much. I'm okay with that. I think the shorter ones where we use a lot of loft are harder. The closer that pin is to you off the green, the harder the shot should probably be. So keep in mind that if all else fails, if you're a little nervous with the shot, it's always better to be a little bit longer for a couple reasons. One, you're probably not going to have to chip again, which nobody likes to chip twice. And number two, if that thing's rolling by the pin, you get to see kind of what the rig's doing. You know what's probably going to do on its way back. So again, ball back, hands forward, ball little stroke. Trying to land it on the front part of the green and run out the rest. Okay. If I'm going to a middle pin, instead of using this same club and swinging harder and trying to land it further, this is kind of the key to the chipping that I was talking about. Why not use the same stroke we were just using and let a different club do a different result? I think this is the part where once you get this part down as far as how far each club's going to roll out after it lands, that's what's going to make chipping easy. Because again, if you're trying to manipulate clubs and you're trying to maneuver it a little bit, there's a lot more room for error. So I think if we can keep the same kind of technique and the same kind of posture and the same kind of stance and the same kind of stroke, that shot shouldn't be much different than that shot, which shouldn't be much different than that shot. Just understanding that the different club's going to make it run out different ways. So again, I'm going to this next one. I'm going to probably try to land it in the same spot, but because I have less loft here, it should run. Physics behind loft. I'm still going to have the ball in the same spot back in my stance. I'm still going to have my hands forward, pressing. I tend to aim a little bit left, but the club face should still be pointing at the target. And again, same kind of stroke, just a small chop. Now when I land it way too far, it's going to run way too far. But, same exact stroke. I didn't change anything with the stroke.